Hypoglycemia, also known as low blood sugar, is a common condition that affects people with diabetes. It occurs when the level of glucose in the blood drops below normal, leading to a variety of symptoms. Some of the common symptoms of hypoglycemia include dizziness, confusion, sweating, trembling, and weakness. In severe cases, hypoglycemia can even lead to loss of consciousness or seizures. Managing hypoglycemia can be a constant challenge for individuals with diabetes. It requires careful monitoring of blood sugar levels and prompt action when levels drop too low. Traditionally, people with diabetes have relied on glucose gels or tablets to quickly raise their blood sugar levels. However, these methods can be cumbersome, especially when you're on the go or in a public setting. That's where Baqsimi Nasal Spray comes in. This innovative solution offers a quick and convenient way to manage hypoglycemia, providing relief when you need it the most. Let's take a closer look at how Baqsimi works and the benefits it offers. Introducing Baqsimi Nasal Spray. How it works and its benefits. Baqsimi Nasal Spray is a breakthrough product designed specifically for people with diabetes who face the frequent challenge of hypoglycemia. It is a compact and portable device that delivers a dose of glucagon, a hormone that helps raise blood sugar levels, through the nasal membrane. Unlike traditional treatments for hypoglycemia, Baqsimi does not require oral consumption or injection. Instead, it is administered through a simple nasal spray, making it discreet and hassle-free. The glucagon in Baqsimi is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream through the nasal membrane, ensuring fast-acting relief from hypoglycemia symptoms. One of the major advantages of Baqsimi Nasal Spray is its ease of use. The device is compact and can easily fit into a pocket or purse, making it convenient to carry wherever you go. Additionally, the nasal spray format eliminates the need for measuring and mixing, saving you time and effort. Comparing Baqsimi Nasal Spray with traditional hypoglycemia treatments. When it comes to managing hypoglycemia, Baqsimi Nasal Spray offers several advantages over traditional treatments. Let's compare Baqsimi with glucose gels and tablets, which are commonly used to raise blood sugar levels during a hypoglycemic episode. Firstly, Baqsimi provides a more rapid response. While glucose gels and tablets can take several minutes to start working, Baqsimi acts quickly, helping you recover from hypoglycemia faster. This can be particularly crucial in situations where immediate relief is required, such as during exercise or when driving. Secondly, Baqsimi Nasal Spray offers a more discreet solution. Unlike glucose gels or tablets, which require chewing or swallowing, Baqsimi can be administered without drawing attention. This makes it ideal for use in public spaces or situations where privacy may be limited. Furthermore, Baqsimi eliminates the risk of choking. Some individuals with hypoglycemia may have difficulty swallowing or chewing, especially during an episode. Baqsimi bypasses this issue entirely by delivering the medication directly through the nasal membrane. Lastly, Baqsimi Nasal Spray does not require refrigeration, unlike some traditional hypoglycemia treatments. This makes it more convenient to carry and use, especially when traveling or in situations where refrigeration is not readily available. Overall, Baqsimi Nasal Spray offers a superior alternative to traditional hypoglycemia treatments, providing a quick, discreet, and reliable way to manage low blood sugar levels. Its unique delivery method and convenience make it a game-changer for individuals with diabetes. Baqsimi Nasal Spray usage and dosage instructions. Using Baqsimi Nasal Spray is simple and straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it effectively. Remove the Baqsimi Nasal Spray device from its protective case. Ensure that the device is intact and undamaged. Hold the device with your thumb on the bottom and 2 fingers on the sides. Do not press the plunger at this stage. Gently insert the nozzle of the device into one nostril until your fingers touch your nose. Press the plunger firmly to release the dose of glucagon. You may feel a slight resistance, but continue to press until the plunger is fully depressed. Remove the device from your nostril while keeping your head upright. Repeat the process in the other nostril if necessary, as directed by your healthcare provider. After administering Baqsimi Nasal Spray, it is important to seek medical assistance, even if you start feeling better. Hypoglycemia should always be monitored and treated under the guidance of a healthcare professional. The recommended dosage of Baqsimi Nasal Spray may vary depending on individual factors and the severity of hypoglycemia. It is essential to follow your healthcare provider's instructions regarding the appropriate dosage for your specific needs. Baqsimi Nasal Spray side effects and precautions. Like any medication, Baqsimi Nasal Spray may cause certain side effects. However, it is important to note that not everyone will experience these side effects, and they are generally mild and temporary. Some possible side effects of Baqsimi include nausea, vomiting, headache, and nasal discomfort. If you experience any severe or persistent side effects after using Baqsimi nasal spray, it is essential to seek medical attention immediately. Your healthcare provider can provide guidance and determine the best course of action. Before using Baqsimi nasal spray, it is crucial to inform your healthcare provider about any pre-existing medical conditions, allergies, or medications you are currently taking. They can assess whether Baqsimi is suitable for you and provide personalized advice. It is also important to store Baqsimi nasal spray according to the instructions provided. The device should be kept at room temperature and protected from excessive heat, moisture, and direct sunlight. Always check the expiration date before using Baqsimi and discard any expired or damaged devices. Real-life success stories. How Baqsimi nasal spray has helped people with hypoglycemia. Baqsimi nasal spray has already made a significant impact on the lives of individuals with hypoglycemia. Many people have shared their success stories, highlighting the convenience and effectiveness of Baqsimi in managing low blood sugar levels. One such story is that of Sarah, a busy working professional with type 1 diabetes. Sarah often struggled to find a discreet and quick solution for hypoglycemia during business meetings and conferences. Baqsimi nasal spray changed her life by providing a discreet and easy-to-use option that she could carry with her at all times. Sarah no longer had to worry about fumbling for glucose gels or searching for a quiet place to administer an injection. Baqsimi became her go-to solution for managing hypoglycemia effectively. Another success story comes from Mark, an avid cyclist who enjoys long rides on the weekends. Mark used to carry glucose tablets in his jersey pocket, but he found them inconvenient and difficult to chew while cycling. Baqsimi nasal spray eliminated this hassle and allowed Mark to quickly address hypoglycemia whenever it occurred. He could simply pull over, administer the nasal spray, and continue his ride without missing a beat. These real-life stories are just a glimpse of how Baqsimi nasal spray has transformed the lives of individuals with hypoglycemia. It offers a practical and reliable solution for managing low blood sugar levels, empowering people with diabetes to live their lives to the fullest. Where to buy Baqsimi nasal spray and how to use insurance coverage. Baqsimi nasal spray is available with a prescription from your healthcare provider. You can purchase it at your local pharmacy or through online retailers that offer diabetes management products. It is important to ensure that you are purchasing Baqsimi from a reputable source to guarantee its quality and effectiveness. When it comes to insurance coverage, it is advisable to check with your insurance provider to determine the extent of coverage for Baqsimi nasal spray. Some insurance plans may cover the cost of the medication, while others may require a copayment or deductible. Your healthcare provider can assist you in navigating the insurance process and provide the necessary documentation to support your claim. Additionally, some manufacturers may offer patient assistance programs or discounts to make Baqsimi more accessible. Exploring these options can help reduce the financial burden associated with managing hypoglycemia. Frequently asked questions about Baqsimi nasal spray. Is Baqsimi nasal spray suitable for children? Baqsimi nasal spray is approved for use in individuals aged 4 years and older. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage and usage for children. Can Baqsimi nasal spray be used for severe hypoglycemia? Baqsimi nasal spray is intended for the treatment of mild to moderate hypoglycemia. For severe hypoglycemia, immediate medical attention should be sought. Can Baqsimi nasal spray be used during pregnancy or breastfeeding? It is important to consult with a healthcare provider before using Baqsimi nasal spray during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. They can assess the potential risks and benefits and provide personalized guidance. How should Baqsimi nasal spray be stored? Baqsimi nasal spray should be stored at room temperature, away from excessive heat, moisture, and direct sunlight. It should be kept in its protective case and checked for expiration before use. Can Baqsimi nasal spray be used for non-diabetic hypoglycemia? Baqsimi nasal spray is specifically designed for individuals with diabetes. It is important to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate treatment for non-diabetic hypoglycemia. These are just a few common questions about Baqsimi nasal spray. For more specific inquiries, it is best to consult with your healthcare provider or refer to the product information provided. Tips for managing hypoglycemia with Baqsimi nasal spray. To make the most of Baqsimi nasal spray and effectively manage hypoglycemia, here are some helpful tips to keep in mind. Always carry Baqsimi with you. Whether you're heading out for work, exercise, or a social gathering, make sure to have Baqsimi Nasal Spray within easy reach. This ensures that you can quickly address hypoglycemia, no matter where you are. Inform those around you. Let your family, friends, and coworkers know about Baqsimi and how to use it in case of an emergency. This can provide an added layer of support and ensure that help is readily available if needed. Monitor your blood sugar levels. Regularly check your blood sugar levels to proactively manage hypoglycemia. Baqsimi Nasal Spray is a valuable tool, but it's important to be aware of your blood sugar levels to recognize when intervention is necessary. Educate yourself and others. Stay informed about hypoglycemia, its symptoms, and how to use Baqsimi Nasal Spray effectively. Share this knowledge with others in your diabetes support network to raise awareness and promote safety. Follow up with your healthcare provider. After using Baqsimi Nasal Spray, it is important to schedule a follow-up appointment with your healthcare provider. They can assess your overall diabetes management and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Conclusion: embracing the convenience and effectiveness of Baqsimi Nasal Spray for hypoglycemia treatment. Hypoglycemia can be a challenging condition to manage, but Baqsimi Nasal Spray offers a game-changing solution. With its quick and convenient delivery method, Baqsimi provides rapid relief from low blood sugar levels, allowing you to regain control over your diabetes and continue with your daily activities. No longer do you have to rely on cumbersome glucose gels or tablets. Baqsimi Nasal Spray offers a discreet and hassle-free alternative, ensuring that you can address hypoglycemia promptly, even in public settings. If you're tired of the inconvenience and limitations that come with hypoglycemia, it's time to embrace the convenience and effectiveness of Baqsimi Nasal Spray. Talk to your healthcare provider today and experience the difference it can make in managing your diabetes. Don't let hypoglycemia hold you back any longer. Take control with Baqsimi Nasal Spray. Thanks for watching.